we got a new gadget. I didn't have a bosun's chair, so I started looking for bosun's chairs, and I found this. Thanks for your order, Nick. I will keep an eye on your sailing adventures. Best, Karen. That's nice. The thing is, before we can... Oh, wow, look at that. This is a belt, but this thing comes with a case. That's cool. I don't think I knew that it did that. Oh, that's cool. See that? Before we can use it, we have to put the slugs on it. This is where I was like, oh man, I'll do the next level, make it primo. So I bought this. Ooh. Ah. Tubular webbing. Tubular webbing. Put on instead of the plastic shackle. I forgot to buy the needle and the twine. So that's okay, except we need to make this, well, we don't need to. I want to make this repair that's up the mast sooner than later. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this guy. Hey, did I show you this? This is the mast mate. Real nice people. Called them up. I was like, I'm looking for a bosun chair, and I found your product. And they were like, oh, cool. And then I told them that we make a YouTube thing, and they were like, oh, that's cool. And then I ordered one up. Pretty innovative product. Ooh, look how compact it is. Alright, we're going to come back to this. It comes all made, and you got to put the sail slugs on. That thing. And then it comes with the shackles that you can put the slugs on with, which is less than ideal, I think. It's not as secure as the tubular webbing. So I bought the tubular webbing, forgot the other stuff. No big deal. We're going to put this thing together. What do you say we put this thing together? Halfway. I'm excited to try this thing out.
Yeah, it should be awesome.
I just think it's pretty cool that it's basically just a ladder to the top of the mast. Then we can put on our Windex. There'll be another video of that. That's how this whole thing started.
Why the long face?
Well, classic scenario. I have one more of these left. One more slug and shackle. 2 more screws. And technically 2 holes. I think that this hole is actually for a down halyard to secure the bottom if you want to. This one's the last one that really goes into the mast. And I'm pretty sure, although I did not count them, that I bought 25 slugs. So I think they just gave me an extra screw, which was nice. But, you know, it's like when you have all those extra parts after you assemble furniture and you're like, did I miss something? If you like this video, or if you have something to say about the mast mate, share it with us in the comments section below this video.
And just like that, we have a mast mate that can go up the mast?
Yeah. Tomorrow we'll test it out. Go to the top of the mast. I'll share the photo on... What am I going to share the photo on? I'll share the photo on Instagram and Facebook. So check that out. If you don't follow us already, it's going to be some pretty sweet photos from the top of the mast. Hey, it's a mast to make the pizza! To the boat.
Now we're going to put it on the mast.
And then we're going to climb the mast.
You're going to climb the mast.
Oh, I thought you were climbing the mast.
Don't you have to hook it to the halyard first?
Well, I was just going to put this in to hold it.
Okay.
And then we'll just get it together. Hey, you got the right size slug in it.
That's good. Flip her on. So make sure it's like here. Flip her on here.
Flipper.
Flipper.
Do we have a slope? What's that?
Should I start hoisting?
Well, we gotta take the slack out of it. You want to hoist it up to there, and then you can come back out, and I'll show you what we're doing here.
Yeah.
Just like the mainsail. Just make sure we don't twist it.
A twisted ladder would be bad.
Just do all 25 just like that.
Is it going?
Yep, keep going. Perfect.
Still getting full.
Yeah, I know. No, loosen it up and I'll pull it down. It's stuck on the spreader.
Action.
I'm trying to figure out how it works.
Okay. That sounds like
I know. Looked like I just wasn't doing anything. And this guy, when I get up there, you put this around, and then you can stand and you can lean back.
Oh.
I'm really excited. Climb our mast for the very first time. Also, of course, the wind picked up just a hair, so it's a perfect sailing day, but we're going up the mast.
How far is it?
It's only 42 feet off the water.
Oh boy. Yeah.
It's funny because it bounces.
What do you mean it bounces?
Well, like, you know,
Oh.
it moves because of the tension. So.
How secure does it feel?
It feels fine, but it's just a little difficult to find the footing.
Wow.
Well, we did it.
Woohoo! You did it, dear.
But this thing's pretty sweet. And we got this. Front stay for our stay sail off because we decided to take our stay sail off for now. We still have all the equipment, but we're taking the rigging off because our instructor said, you know, we have just as much versatility, and we lose a little bit in that classic cutter rig. We don't have as much sail, but for our sailing ability, this will make it easier and more enjoyable. This tool belt's pretty cool though. And my legs are so jello.
What happened here, dear?
What's up? Oh, that's
What
the one that, when I was coming down, the last step there, I think, you know, like I was obviously stepping sideways on it, and but it snapped the screw shackle. You can see, so it came off, which
Yikes.
is why I wanted to sew it in the first place. So
Gotta order them tools.
I know, all because I had it in my cart and I was like, oh, it's not on sale, I won't buy it, and then I didn't order it. Wow, wow.
What the hell?
But hey, we went to the top of the mast today and we did one of our projects. Got this guy off, so now he goes into the warehouse of parts. How do you get to the top of your mast? I want to know. Do you use bosun's chair? Have you ever heard of this thing? By the way, if you watch this all the way to the end, now you'll know they didn't pay me to use this. I just found it. I thought it was cool, so I thought I'm gonna buy that and I'm gonna make a video about it. So quit your bitching. No, how do you get to the top? You use a bosun's chair? Who hoists you up there? Does your wife hoist you up there? Because that was the issue I was having, is I could get up there, but we weren't really sure how I was going to get down. And then that makes us less prone to go up there, and then if you don't go up there, things up there go wrong, and you have to pay a rigger, and then you know, it's not good. You got to have a way to get up there. That's what I'm doing. That's the bow life. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hey, tell your friends.